This year we produce a tracer unit for pistols. We call it lighter tracer unit. And as you can see, it can be attached on pistols, but it also can be inserted in silencer. 可以帮我拿一个？ Because of its small dimension, so it also allows user to insert in their silencer, and then they can turn into their silencer to be a unique tracer unit. But you can still also use it still, and it is not only for pistols. It is also for rifles. In addition to this, we also 可以帮我拿一下，这个有介绍课。
这个怎样？
这个有介绍课，这个因为这不是新产品。In addition to this, we also produce these lighter tracers. S. This is smaller than the lighter tracer unit and also can be used for pistols. And 可以看一下。The feature of it is, why can we make it so small? Because we use the LiPo battery inside here. And so the user just have to insert their micro USB charging line. Every package of it will attach and with a micro USB charging line. Just insert here. And another thing is, some tracer units will shine like this. And this will, when this shine, it will expose the player's location. But we don't hope this, so we design let the light shine like this. If we design this, users have to look very carefully and even vertically so that they can see the light. So for users, this design will let them hard to be found by their enemies. And this is another our new product this year. This would be available on March. We call it iTracer. iTracer is not just one product. It combines with 3 parts. Tracer unit, PEQ parts 呢？啊，上面那个 PEQ parts 怎么拆下来？对，你要装上去。对。Okay, again, the tracing unit and the display unit, its appearance is like a PEQ bus and the mosfet. And each part can connect with each other. For example, the tracing unit does not just only illuminating the tracer BBs, it also can measure the velocity of the bullets and also can measure the round of fire. For example, okay, this tracer unit and this display unit in PU bus already combined, and this is just for demonstrating because we cannot really shot at IWA. 没关系，不用亮，没关系。对，没事。So as you can see, it will show the data of speed. Yeah. Okay. And if I would like to measure the round of fire, I just have to turn from speed to RF. And again. In addition to measuring speed and round of fire, it also can offer in the countdown functions. And also the count up functions. As you can see, these tracer BBs are also illuminating. And this also offers another functions like you can choose the speed unit you would like to measure, like meters per second or feet per second, and you can set it. And also you can decide which kind of RF unit you would like to measure, like rounds per second and round per minute. And this total shot will count how many this iTracer shot from start. Okay, so as I mentioned before, because it's also offering the functions of count down and count up, so it also can alert the user if, let's say, their ammo or their bullets are very few. For example, if I set 100, it means if the bullet is fewer than 100, it will alert me. Or I can set stop at 0. It means if the bullet is become 0, it will automatically stop. And the battery protect is especially for AEGs, because some users will overuse the AEG and let the battery of AEG dead. So we can set here how many volts. For example, if I set 8 volts, it means if the battery of AEG volts is fewer than 8, it will alert me, so that I can protect in time. Yes. And this is iTracer. And our another product this year is auto target systems. There would be some games modes. For example, if I choose whack a hole, I can set the rounds maybe 3. Oh no, and I can set the level maybe 2, and it will start. It will calculate how many targets I hit and how many targets I miss it. And there should be a scoreboard, but it is very huge, so we don't bring it. But what you see here will also display in the scoreboard. And for this target, this is a fixed target, but we also design the auto target. And when it is available, the user can decide how many fixed target they would like to purchase or they want, or how many auto target they would like to order. And the first shoot is a simple game. Just we'll stand up together and and it will tell me how many times I take. Yes. So.
Rapporteringen presenteras i samarbete med Wise Guy, Röda Stjärnan, Tactical Store och Malmö Airsoft Terräng Malmö.